ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് നമ്മോടൊപ്പം സംസാരിക്കാനായിട്ട് എത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത് നിലമ്പൂരിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ഗ്രാമർ മാസ്റ്റർ പ്രജീഷ്, പിന്നെ പഞ്ചാബിലെ ചണ്ഡീഗഡിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ മോട്ടിവേറ്റർ ഉഷ ബാബു മാഡം, പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാമായ ഓക്കെ ലത്തീഫ്. പറയുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ എനിക്ക് ചിരി വരുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഞാനും. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ 4 പേരും കൂടെ ചേർന്നുള്ള ഒരു കോൺവെർസേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്കിപ്പോൾ കേൾക്കാം. വളരെ രസകരമായിരിക്കും. പിന്നെ ഓക്കെ ലത്തീഫ് ഈ സമയത്ത് തൃശ്ശൂരിൽ ഒരു ജോലിയിൽ ഏർപ്പെട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഇൻ്റർനെറ്റ് കണക്ടിവിറ്റി പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് മുഴുവൻ സമയവും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് പങ്കെടുക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. ഏതായാലും ഈ 4 പേരും ചേർന്നുള്ള ചർച്ച നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് കേൾക്കുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് വിടുക. ഓക്കെ. Hello, good morning, dear friends. Mr. Okay Latheef, Usha Babu, and Prajeesh. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. So today I am so happy to meet all you people. So I request you to give a brief introduction. First of all, I will introduce. I am Mohan. I am from Ernakulam, and I am a retired person from a bank. Okay, Usha Babu, madam, you can give an introduction. Please come on.
Yes, sir. I am Usha Babu. I am living in Punjab at Chandigarh, and I am working in a company.
Okay.
I have a son.
Okay, that is all. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, Latheef, can you give a introduction?
Okay, I am Okay Latheef. I am in Ernakulam at Tammanam, but now still I am work in Trichure at Karivandala.
Okay.
I am in work. Yeah.
Okay, that is all. Okay, Prajeesh, can you give a brief introduction about you?
Okay, sir. Thank you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Prajeesh. I am speaking to you from Malappuram district in Kerala. Currently, I work in Kerala State Electricity Board as a sub engineer, and I got such a golden opportunity to join into our WhatsApp group. Josmon sir has created so many WhatsApp groups, so I got that opportunity to speak with many more friends, and now I am very happy because now I have got so much friends. You know, these all the people are friends. Now these all the people are my intimate friends. So and now I got the ability to speak in English only because of you. So I'm so happy, sir.
Okay, thank you, Usha Babu, madam, and Okay Latheef and Prajeesh. Now we can conduct a small exercise, that is question answers. We can select one person and all other 3 members will ask questions. So I am selecting Mr. Prajeesh first. So I will ask a question first. Then Usha Babu, you can ask a question second. Then Okay Latheef, you can also ask a question. In this order, we will ask very small and simple questions. Okay, Prajeesh, can you tell me something about your journey of learning English?
Oh, of course, I'm very happy because, before I joined in this WhatsApp group, I was not able to speak. I was not able to speak like this. But now, after I joined this WhatsApp group, I got so many opportunity to speak with others. And day by day, within 3 months, I got such a drastic changes in my speech, only because of the speaking with others. How you has created so many WhatsApp groups. I have already mentioned to you. So in this way, I got this ability. So I request you to all, please come to our WhatsApp group. You can join in our WhatsApp group without any payment, 24/7. All the members are eagerly waiting for you, and you can practice with them, and you can improve your speaking skill in English. So I'm very happy, sir. If I suppose if I tell my story, that's a long story. So I want to take many more time to explain all the things. So this is a small brief explanation about my story.
Okay. Usha Babu, madam, now you can also ask a question to Prajeesh. Come on.
Prajeesh sir, I can ask you a question. How did you join in this group?
Oh, that's a wonderful question, Usha Babu. Once I got a chance to watch videos on YouTube, our dearest Joe Monser video that was, and after that I tried to call him directly several times. I think 22 times. I have counted that count. I have tried to call him 22 times, but he didn't pick my call. But one day it was a Sunday, and that day he took my call, and we spoke each other almost 1 hour. And
Wow.
after that, I got an opportunity to enter into that WhatsApp which Osman sir has added me, and yeah, this is a chance which I got to enter into the our WhatsApp group.
Sir,
Okay,
one more
nice.
question. Sir, one
Okay,
more
you can
question.
ask. You can ask.
Uh,
No problem.
When did you join in this group?
Yes. I joined in this WhatsApp group, I think last December, 2022 December.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, that is good. Okay, Mr. Okay Latheef is not there. Okay, Usha madam. Okay, Latheef is coming. You can continue. You can ask a question to Prajeesh. Okay. Do you want to ask one more question? Otherwise, we
Yes,
will ask questions to you. Which is, shall we
yes,
ask
sir.
questions to you?
Yeah, you can ask
Okay.
me.
Okay, Prajeesh. Now we can ask questions to Usha madam. Okay, I will ask first, then Prajeesh you can ask. Okay, Usha madam, where is your native place and why are you living in Punjab?
Sir, my native place is in Pathanamthitta district at Koni.
Hmm.
But my husband
Ah,
was here. He worked here, so I am here now.
okay. So are you settled in Punjab?
Yes, sir. I am settled in last 28 years.
Okay.
I have been here.
Okay, nice. Okay, Prajeesh, if we go to Punjab, certainly we can meet Usha
Right.
Babu madam there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Always she says that. Always she
Yes,
says that.
yes. Okay, Prajeesh, now you can also ask a question to Usha Babu madam.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And Usha ma'am, how are you? First of all,
Yeah,
I want
fine.
to ask the question, how are you now?
Nice. Good.
Okay. I know that you can speak Hindi very well, and now you are trying to learn English. And what is the reason behind it? Why you are trying to learn English?
Sure. Wherever we go, there are most important in this language. This is a global language. So my almost friends are foreigners. They can't speak in Hindi. So I want to convey to them in the English.
Okay, I know that you have got such a what I will versatile personalities, especially from Italy. Where is the exact places of that person? I don't remember that. I once I got a chance to speak with that person. His name is Jesse, and another one,
Chris.
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 They are from Mexico.
Mexico, yes.
Yeah.
So they can speak like a native speaker. So their English is very good. So, I believe that you will improve your English within few months because you have such a golden opportunity to speak with native speakers, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Prajeesh, for asking and talking with Usha Babu madam. Now we can invite Mr. Okay Latheef. Okay Latheef, you can also talk with Usha Babu madam. You can ask something. Okay. Okay Latheef, can you hear our voice? Stuck ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു കേട്ടോ. ഹലോ ഓക്കെ ലത്തീഫ് കേൾക്കാമോ? നിങ്ങൾ ആ പിക്ചറിൽ കാണുന്നതാണ്
നെറ്റ്വർക്ക്
ഫിഷ് ടാങ്ക് ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. ഫിഷ് ടാങ്ക്, ഇമ്പോർട്ടഡ് ഫിഷ് ടാങ്ക്. അത്
Oh.
കൊറിയയിൽ നിന്ന് ഇമ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തതാണ്. ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ പോയി ഇയാളുടെ കൂടെ ഇത് ഫിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. ഒരു രണ്ടാൾക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി നിൽക്കാവുന്ന അത്ര ആഴമുണ്ട് അതിനകത്ത്. അതിൽ വെള്ളം നിറക്കും. അതെ, എന്തോ നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ഹലോ ഡിയർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ലത്തീഫ് ഈസ് കമ്മിങ് ആൻഡ് ഗോയിങ്. I think there is a network issue because now he is working in Guruvayur. He is working in a village. Sometimes he may be having that internet problem. We can leave that.